Hey, this video is a bit special because today I'm going to talk about what is BitDegree, the very platform behind this YouTube channel. Just like Crypto Finally Explained, BitDegree also dedicates itself to educating people about crypto and everything Web3. I mean, let's be honest. The cryptocurrency and Web3 landscape in general can feel intimidating, especially for newcomers. But one of BitDegree's missions is to eliminate this potential obstacle and make learning Web3 more fun and rewarding. But how can BitDegree achieve this? And is it only geared towards crypto beginners? In this video, I will go into the nitty-gritty of what BitDegree is, its goals, the platform's core features, and how you can use BitDegree and start learning about crypto and Web3. By the end of this video, you'll get to know the platform better and hopefully decide if BitDegree is the perfect crypto educational platform for you. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Okay, so let's address the main question. What is BitDegree? To put it simply, BitDegree is a Web3 learning platform that gamifies and incentivizes education about cryptocurrencies and blockchain tech. It offers diverse resources like missions, tutorials, reviews, handbooks, airdrops, and news to simplify Web3 concepts for a broader audience. By blending play-to-earn and learn-to-earn elements, BitDegree turns learning into an engaging experience. Participants complete missions, interactive tasks that involve quizzes, social interactions, or even blockchain actions, for a chance to win rewards such as tokens, NFTs, merch, or hardware wallets. Completing missions also grants bits, which increase your degree, like leveling up in a game, and boost your chances in lucky draws and airdrops. Plus, inviting friends to join earns you even more bits. Importantly, the platform is free to use, making it accessible to everyone. BitDegree collaborates with leading crypto brands like Binance, Kraken, and Ledger, offering brand-specific missions that introduce their platforms and features. For instance, the Mastering Binance Spot Trading mission provides a step-by-step guide to using Binance's spot trading tool. BitDegree also allows users to create custom missions with its mission builder. This intuitive tool helps design engaging tasks and visuals for your community. To access it, connect your wallet, collect 2,000 bits, and complete the BitDegree Creator's mission. For more details, check out the linked guide in the description of this video. Then, there are guilds, project-specific spaces within BitDegree that group missions by brand or topic. For example, the Coinbase Guild features missions about Coinbase Earn and staking crypto. Guilds foster community learning and provide a deeper understanding of specific projects. These features sound great and all, but what about accessibility? Nowadays, people do a lot of their internet browsing on their smartphones, and you might wonder if you have to sit in front of your desktop or laptop to access BitDegree. Well, I have good news for you. BitDegree also has its own app. You can download it for iOS or Android and get most of the mission-related features available in the web version. With this, you can maintain your learning pace no matter where you are. In addition to missions, BitDegree went all in with Web3 education by offering a comprehensive learning hub. This is where you can find numerous free resources and tools covering all things Web3. First, let's take a look at the tutorials. Here, you can find various in-depth crypto guides and informative how-to articles. They cover topics like using a specific crypto exchange, or exploring concepts like the hottest meme coins. Honestly, I think these guides are a perfect resource no matter your experience level, especially if you prefer written content. Then, what if you want to get a deeper insight into a certain crypto platform or product? BitDegree also provides a wide range of reviews covering the pros and cons of various crypto-related products like exchange platforms or wallets. There are also comparisons of the products with their competitors, giving you a better understanding of whether it is the best choice you can get before you actually try it. You can also find other content formats like listicles. They cover topics like the best crypto exchanges in the UK, the best ETH lending platforms, the recommended places to stake Cardano, and many more. I find this type of content very useful, especially when I have a specific need but want to get several recommendations so I can choose the perfect solution for myself. But there's more. Since BitDegree is committed to educating the public about Web3, they don't just stop at crypto-related topics, they also cover artificial intelligence. You can find multiple useful articles to answer your AI-related questions, like can ChatGPT help you make a website, or how to use GitHub Copilot. And just like for crypto, BitDegree also published AI numerous resources to help your research. These include AI tool reviews and lists of the best AI image generators, chatbots, and many more. So if you ever feel unsure about where to start with AI, BitDegree has you covered. Next, there is the Crypto 101 Handbook, and if you're completely new to crypto, this is the perfect starting point. The handbook lets you build your crypto knowledge from scratch without feeling overwhelmed, starting from the very basics, like the core concepts of blockchain, all the way to more advanced topics like basic trading and analysis strategies. BitDegree makes it easy for you to navigate the handbook. There are different chapters, each divided into sections so that you can progress through the material in a structured way. If you're having trouble understanding some of the terms used within the handbook, do not fret. BitDegree has an entire Web3 terminology-oriented glossary. Imagine a comprehensive encyclopedia where you can find the definitions of hundreds of crypto terms, A to Z. Need to quickly look up the meaning of hash rate or private key? This handbook provides concise and clear definitions to help you navigate the crypto landscape with confidence. It's designed to be a quick reference guide, so you won't get bogged down in overly technical explanations. Instead, you'll find straightforward definitions that get straight to the point, allowing you to quickly understand the core concepts and get back to your research or trading. Another core element of crypto and Web3 education is keeping up with the latest updates in the landscape. BitDegree has a dedicated news section covering everything from market trends and regulatory changes to new project launches and technological advancements in blockchain. And if you are an AI enthusiast or just want to stay in the loop about where the industry is moving, BitDegree also covers the hottest AI-related news. Then there is the Daily Squeeze newsletter. It's like a personal Web3 briefing. Imagine having the day's most important news distilled into concise, easy-to-understand summaries, delivered right to your inbox. It is informative and, most importantly, very convenient. Moving on, for those who prefer video content like what you're watching right now, BitDegree has its own dedicated video page. It's a comprehensive crypto educational video library covering various topics, ranging from simple ones, like the definition of blockchain and crypto wallets, to slightly more advanced stuff, like flash loans. It's basically your crypto Netflix, but instead of binge-watching shows, you're binge-learning about the future of finance. Fun fact, you can also find my videos there as well, so make sure to check it out. Lastly, there's a myriad of useful tools to help your crypto research on BitDegree, like the Fear and Greed Index or the Cryptocurrency Tracker. Metrics like price, market cap, 24-hour trading volume, all-time high, and all-time low, it's all there. But more than that, BitDegree provides interesting data in the social signals section. This section gives you social and website-related metrics like X-followers and subreddit count, Telegram channel members, and website traffic. It's like a social media dashboard for crypto, giving you a quick snapshot of a project's online buzz. Moving on, let's talk about how you can actually start using BitDegree. Good news, it's very simple. First, visit bitdegree.org or download and open the mobile app on your device, then click the Connect button. You can create a new account by connecting your Coinbase wallet or MetaMask account to the platform. Alternatively, you can also use your email account to sign up. So don't worry if you don't have a crypto wallet yet. After that, you're ready to explore BitDegree, tackle missions, gain more bits, and increase your degree. If you're a complete beginner, I recommend starting from the basics, such as missions that sounds interesting to you, or even the Crypto 101 Handbook. There you go. I've covered what BitDegree is, what it has to offer, and how to get started with the platform. It's free, has a wide range of useful content and missions to help you learn, and you can get real prizes in addition to new skills and knowledge. And for that, I'd say BitDegree is definitely worth your time. I highly encourage you to check it out. With that, we've come to the end of this video. What are you most excited to learn on BitDegree? Let me know in the comments below. And while you're there, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more crypto and Web3 content. The link to BitDegree is waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.